Hello mga kabakshis! Today, i-unbox natin ang Boxycharm October 2019 edition. So stay tuned para malaman natin kung ano ang laman ng box na ito. Hello mga kabakshis! Today ay bubuksan natin ang October 2019 box ng Boxycharm. So, mag-umpisa tayo. Medyo maliit yung box ngayon compared nung September. Ito siya. And again, medyo napalaban na naman yung box na ito. Pero still, umabot pa rin ng doha. Ito yung laman. Ayan. Syempre, 5 full size na mga makeup and skincare product siya. Pasensya na kayo, medyo ngongo ako ngayon kasi sinisipon ang kabakshis nyo. So yun, pagbukas, ito ang laman, ang mahiwagang kodigo. So, una nating buksan or kunin ay ang Sassy Shena Dose of Colors Palette. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, talc-free. Yan po siya. Bale, ito po ay Stay Sassy, Brassy, Foxy, Bossy, and then Oh Sassy. So may kasama na siyang ganitong brush. Ito pang detail, ito yung pang blend. Ito yung pang detail. Bali, pang Halloween edition yung October 2019, kaya tinatawag siyang After Dark. Dose of Colors Eyeshadow Palette, 5 Pan Matte Eyeshadow Palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. It costs $32. So next is the iconic London Prep Set Glow. Wow! Ayan siya. It's a water mist original. This is setting spray again, pero glittery siya, shining, shimmering, splendid. Ayan. From iconic London Prep Set and Glow. Prep Set Glow is a hydrating mist that refreshes light reflecting properties that leave the skin with iconic glow. This stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to the bare face and body. With extracts of cucumber and chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, and vitamin E, this 100% vegan wonder sprays helps to condition skin, to combat the look of dark circles and leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. Nagkakahalaga siyang $29. So next is Hank and Henry. Oh, may pa Hank and Henry na naman siya. Oh. Pero ano to? Sleek With It Mascara Duo. Sleek With It mascara will have you feeling like you have major clout. This vegan mascara is not only waterproof but it does not flake or transfer. The Duo 1 applicator is designed to work with our formula for adding volume and length to your top lashes, while the other is thin and designed to easily add mascara to your lower lashes. Nagkakahalaga po siya na $19. Next is the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. Ayan. In dark brown. This one pala, yung mascara is yun nga, cloud. Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. Achieve effortlessly tamed and tinted brows with Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. A lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. Perfect to use over powder or pencil. This cost $16. Then next is this one. 2 packs of 24K Gold Sheet Mask. Nakalagay dito, the benefits of gold is anti-wrinkle, skin firming and lifting, hydrating, and repair. Bale, 1 single-use mask ang isa, 2 yung laman. The Go-To Beauty Sheet Mask of 2 gives your skin what it craves with this easy-to-use sheet mask. Each and every mask contains skin-loving ingredients packed inside. So many options, everyone can use one. This costs $19.98. So yun nga mga kabakshis, ang laman ng October 2019 Boxycharm box ay 2 sheet gold mask, ang Mellow Tinted Brow Gel, ang Iconic London Prep Set Glow Hydro Mist, and then the Hank and Henry Duo Mascara, then Sassy Shena Dose of Colors Eyebrow Palette. Ayan. So, among sa 5 na ito, ito for sure magagamit ko to. Ito din. Bali, parang sa ngayon nag-iipon ako ng mga ganito. Marami ako nakukuha ang mga sheet mask nowadays. Ito, hindi ako siguradong magagamit ko to. Hindi kasi ako masyadong mahilig sa mga makintab, mga glittering, shining, shimmering, splendid. So, that's all. Then, itong brow gel, magagamit ko to. Itong mascara, hindi rin kasi ako masyadong mascara. Feeling ko ang kalat. Or ako lang. Basta, kasi para sa akin parang kilay okay na eh. Katulad ng kilay ko ngayon. Pak. Ayan. So, ayun lang po mga kabakshis. Overall, 3 ang bet natin. At 2 ang hindi. So, most probably, itong 2 to ay mapapa-giveaway natin yan. So, yun lamang po mga kabakshi. Samahan niyo po ulit ako sa susunod na video sa muling pag-unbox natin. I-follow sa aking mga social media accounts sa Facebook and Instagram, JAREN-WQUCSLTE, and subscribe and like this video po. I-share nyo na rin po sa iba para sa susunod ay sabay-sabay tayong mag-unbox. Yun lamang po, maraming salamat.